Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to attach and send Google Drive attachments in Gmail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and actually open up your email or whatever you are currently working on. And you want to select the little triangle icon where if you hover over it, it says Insert Files using Drive. Go ahead and select that and then locate whatever file you want to attach from your Google Drive account and then just double click on it. And that's all you have to do. So now it's been included into our email address. Would recommend having your mouse cursor where you want to actually attach the file before you upload it to your email. It's easy enough to delete and move it around, but generally speaking, you probably want to have it where you want it before you actually upload the file into your Gmail email body. But pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.